Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Chilling with Dave. So right now I'm going to explain the best fidgets to bring into a shower or a bath. So starting off, and like ones you don't want to bring in the bath. So this is a PBJ. You guys may think, well, it's fun. It's just normal stuff. There's a whole plush on top. This is not the fidget to bring to get wet. It's not. You can get this part wet, not this part. Okay. The next fidget is this crazy Aaron Thinking Putty Enchanting Unicorn. The putty is not, it's like really good. Okay. I'll tell you guys that right now. The putty's good, right? But you guys do not want to get the putty wet. Okay. I mean, I don't see why you couldn't get the putty wet. Oh crap. Okay. I don't see why you couldn't get the putty wet, but personally, I don't think you should get the putty wet. It's a really good putty. And it brings out a lot of stress. So pretty. The one I have is white with neon rainbow dots. It's called Enchanting Unicorn. So pretty. Okay. I always like forming it into the bottom. Okay. The next fidget is, we'll do this. Now, what I need y'all to pause the video right now. Tell me which fidget you think this one's gonna be. You guys can bring it. Literally, it's waterproof, I'm pretty sure. Like, most of these are waterproof, except for the hardcore ones. But these are mostly waterproof. They're basically waterproof. So, literally, whole fidget is waterproof. And that fidget, if you guys guess puppets. Alright. So, this puppet is nice. It's really silent. But then on this side. Really nice. It's really nice popping sound. So I think these are waterproof, perfect for the bath or shower. Color changing needles. Color changing needles are perfect for the shower because they give them a nice wash and you can get them soap and watered. Because they have a nice, kind of like a donut dough. Perfect thing to bring in the bath or shower. And the best thing about them, you can get all different colors. Stuff all over them. You can get a light blue to neon pink to light pink. A light blue to a nice pink. Then you can get a dark pink into a dark purple. As you can tell, the purple is really, really dark. And then the last one is a yellow one going into a neon orange. They're so fun. Okay. DNA balls, do not bring DNA balls into the bath. DNA balls, just, you don't want to. Because the whole inside is filled. This one is a bubblegum machine. So cute. And it smells like bubblegums. Literally, that's what the package said. And I got it at Target. If you guys wanted to buy it. It's so cute. Okay, so I got this sensory fidget. It's really good. It's like sensory inside. Do not put these. You guys can see it's a little softer. Do not bring these in this bath or shower. Not the fidget. Pop it balls. Now, you guys might be like, what? You can. They're really fun. Actually, see this? cannot bring these in the bath or shower because if water gets inside, they can get all moldy and gross. And if you want your Pop-It ball or Pop-It square, whatever one you have, to get all moldy and gross, then don't bring it into the bath or shower, guys. Trust me. I know. Ugh. Okay. 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 I have way more fidgets, but I'm just going to show you. These are perfect to bring into the bath or shower. These fidgets come in all different colors. I have these ones. You actually just quickly put them on your fingers. Nicely. Okay. All 5 fingers. So your thumb goes in the big hole. You know, your pinky goes in this hole. Perfect. And then. And you can just like get all your stress out just by doing this. It feels way nice. To do it, perfect. Perfect. Next we have a banana popper, banana pea popper. Can barely do it right now because a banana pea popper, perfect for it because there is all different cute colors. There is a pink one. You guys, it looks white on camera, but it's, trust me, it's really cute and pink. It's like a really, really pink. And you can get in the middle. There's a white one, little white banana, and then on the other side is a little brown one for banana split. And that is not a good one to bring in the bath or shower because these are not the texture. Not the right texture, okay? Monkey noodles are perfect to bring in the bath or shower. They're quiet, giving out a lot of stress. Like, you squeeze it, and it's like perfect. I have way more, but I'm only showing you. And now, mini Pop-Its. These are perfect to bring in the bath or shower because they're mini, and you can give them a nice clean. Perfect. Now, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. But before I end this video, I want y'all to give this video a big thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bell, and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys all next time. But if I get to 100 subscribers, but for my little cousin, I get to bring this 24 hours, guys. He is only young, okay? And I need to beat him, so I can prank him all day. I have some good pranks up my sleeve, so. But I don't think I've ever shown you guys my little hamster. She's in there somewhere. Willow! Willow! Hi, pretty! Okay, she's gonna come out in a minute. Willow! Hi! She doesn't want to come out right now, but thank you all so much for watching. See you guys next time. Love you. Bye!